Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change team in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone. So this is how the homepage looks like. Right here in the middle, we have Live Pass, Live Today, Leaks, Limited Time Events, Showdowns, and Campaigns. In the bottom, you're going to find some other sections like My Team, Auctions, Achievements, Objectives, and Sets. So for example, we're going to click on My Team. And right here, once you click on your team, you can change players, switch any players. You can also change the jerseys, but you're not going to find an option to change your team. Basically, guys, in order to change your team, go back to the homepage by clicking on the little arrow in the top left corner. And then once you're here in the homepage, in the top right corner, you're going to find a little settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to find yourself right here in the settings. So right here, you're going to find preferences, link account, gameplay tutorials, help manual, help, legal, language, start screen, and you're going to find change team. So this option is basically the one that lets you change your team. As you can see guys, under it, we're going to find the name of your team. So for me, I have currently playing as the Lakers. Go ahead and click on the edit button next to change team. And then from here, you're going to find all of the available teams that you can switch to. So for example, I'm going to switch to the Chicago Bulls and then click select. And as you can see, guys, from there you can change your team. But note that the progress will be lost. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.